Why did world's tallest building temperature rise to 100 degrees Celsius? And what horrible problems faced by engineers during that construction? Today we will explain each and everything. Let's get started. Challenge number 1: Construction on time. Engineers were given only 6 years to complete that project, and it was biggest challenge for them to complete that project at given time. Engineers estimated that they required minimum 3 years just to design map of that building. It was not possible to design whole building in just 3 years. So engineers had started that project without any map in 2004 and were also working on the map of that project during that era. Challenge number 2. After dealing with the issue of time, engineer had faced another horrible problem. Actually, there were sandstones and fractured rocks where the Dubai government had decided to construct the world's tallest building. That sandstones and fractured rocks could not bear weight of such heavy and tallest building of the world. So engineers decided to apply principle of friction to build strong base for world's tallest building. Actually, they dug 192 into the strong steel pillars, all the weight of that building equally on that 192 steel pillars. Challenge number 3. After 4 years, when 140 floors of that building were completed, it became world's tallest building. But matter was not simple as you think. The constructing company had faced another horrible challenge. Actually, the company which was constructing world's tallest building, Burj Khalifa, had only machinery to provide material up to 120 floors. Along with this, labor had also refused to work on more height. To meet with this horrible challenge, company had decided to bring laborers from around the world which were not afraid of height. Challenge number 4. After few years, the constructing company of that project had completed all the floors of that project, but there was one thing missing, which were glass panels. When engineers tried to install glass panels in that building, the temperature of world's tallest building had increased 100 Celsius. That incident shocked constructing company and engineers. Engineers were also looking to counter that problem. After a few months, a British famous engineer offered that they can make specialized glass panel for that building, which can maintain moderate temperature in that building. He also said that the glass panels would be very expensive, but the construction company of that project had no other option. So they accepted his offer. So then a specialized factory was set to make specialized aluminum glass panels for that building. In that factory, 24,000 glass panels were made for Burj Khalifa to maintain moderate temperature. Now glass panels had been installed on Burj Khalifa, but now another new problem has arisen. Burj Khalifa glass panels were very dusty due to ongoing construction. The company had decided to polish that glass panel. The company asked labor to polish glass panels by hanging with the ropes. Even same method is being used by Dubai to clean glass panels of that huge and tallest building of the world. Now some random facts about Burj Khalifa. Fact number 1. You can see 2 sunsets at a time from Burj Khalifa. Fact number 2. You can see neighboring country of Dubai, Iran, by standing at the top of world's tallest building. Fact number 3. The most expensive thing in Burj Khalifa are its glass panels.